Hey friends, Kevin here with this GKU brand dash cam that I just got in. This is a 2-channel. That means it records in front of you and behind you. Now the company did send this to me to test out, install, and show to you. So let's get this thing out of the box, get it installed, start driving around, and see what this image quality really is. First thing you're going to see is a big instruction manual. Appears to be pretty well thought out, has color pictures in it. This will be the main camera, already has an adhesive pad attached, and it does come with this version of electrostatic pads. So this is the way it would be mounted, and then your camera is adjustable. This main camera is removable from your windshield mount in case you needed to take it with you for some reason. There is a cover here on the lens we will need to remove. And this side will be all of the installation goodies. So this is going to be the rear camera with plenty of cable, so you can put this in the back of your vehicle, run the wire, get it tucked up under your trim panels up to the front so you can plug it into the camera. Speaking of which, they include this little plastic crowbar, and this is what you are going to use to tuck this excess wire up under your panels. You're going to have your main power adapter, plugs in your SIG lighter 12-volt adapter. Same thing with this. You're going to take this excess wire, get it behind your trim panels, run it around the dash over to your plug-in. Extra adhesive pads, little mounting clips, so it does pretty much include everything that you need. I have a 12-volt adapter on my desk, so let's plug this in. I just want to see what this display looks like. This is what would happen when you would start your car. And of course, the first thing you always need to do is format the memory card that you're using in a dash cam. The memory card is pre-installed. It is right here. You kind of put your fingernail on it, push in against it. That will allow you to remove it. So I simply hit this big button here on the end. It went ahead and formatted the memory card, and it is now recording. Let me get this protective cover off of here. Now you can get an idea of how the display looks. So the only real button on this is this big button on the end, and this is going to be your video lock button. In case you're in an accident, if you see Bigfoot standing on the side of the road, something that you want to capture that particular video and make sure it does not become overwritten. So I guess any other settings are going to be done through the smartphone app. Add camera, go to Wi-Fi, select the GKU camera. It's going to connect over Wi-Fi. There you can see what it's filming. And now we can go down here, go to camera settings, and we can change the date and the time, get it right, turn on GPS functions if you want those GPS coordinates embedded, set the resolution, all types of different things in these settings. So basically you're going to set this once and forget it. The camera is going to remember your settings, and you should never have to do this again. So I'll get this set up. We'll go install this in a vehicle and see what the image quality, video quality really is on these. Easy to install. The app works pretty well. Great thing is, once you have this pretty much set up once, it's set it and forget it.